Welcome to this session on data-driven decision-making. In this session, we'll explore data-driven decision-making, a process where businesses rely on data analysis rather than intuition for strategic choices. We'll dive into its key components, such as data collection, analysis, and interpretation, and discuss how this approach leads to smarter, more informed decisions. You'll also learn about the steps involved in implementing this method, the challenges organizations face, and the emerging trends shaping the future of decision-making. Understanding these concepts will empower you to leverage data for better business outcomes. Data-driven decision-making, a game-changing approach that enables businesses to make precise, strategic, and risk-minimized decisions by leveraging data analytics, AI, and predictive modeling. Let us put this in perspective. Imagine you're the CEO of a global coffee chain like Starbucks. You need to decide whether to open a new store in a specific location. Should you rely on intuition, or should you analyze foot traffic, customer preferences, seasonal trends, and competitor presence? Today, the most successful companies don't make decisions based on gut feeling, they make them based on data. This highlights the significance of data-driven decision-making. First, let us understand, what is data-driven decision-making? Data-driven decision-making, or DDDM, is the process of making business decisions based on data analysis rather than intuition, personal experience, or guesswork. It involves collecting, analyzing, and interpreting data to make informed strategic choices. The goal is to minimize risks, optimize performance, and enhance business outcomes. Here are the key components of DDDM. 1. Data collection, where relevant information is gathered from sources such as customer interactions, financial reports, and operational metrics. 2. Data analysis, which involves using analytical tools, AI, and machine learning to identify patterns and trends. 3. Insight generation, where raw data is transformed into meaningful insights that guide decision-making. 4. Decision implementation, enabling businesses to make strategic moves based on data-driven findings. 5. Continuous monitoring ensures that the impact of these decisions is tracked, allowing businesses to refine their strategies for optimal outcomes. Having understood the meaning of data-driven decision-making, let us now explore, why is DDDM important in today's business world? Well, we live in the age of big data. Every click, purchase, and customer interaction generate data. Businesses that leverage this information have a massive competitive advantage. Let us take the example of Amazon. It uses AI-powered data analytics to personalize recommendations for millions of customers. Their predictive analytics models anticipate customer needs, improving user experience and increasing sales. Here, a good example is that of Netflix. Netflix analyzes user watch history, pause points, and viewing time to recommend content. Their data-driven approach to content production led to hits like House of Cards, which was developed after analyzing user preferences. Take Walmart, for instance. Walmart uses real-time analytics to optimize supply chain management. By tracking sales patterns and inventory levels, they prevent overstocking and reduce waste. JP Chase, the banking giant, uses AI-driven fraud detection systems that analyze transaction patterns. If unusual activity is detected, alerts are triggered in real time, preventing fraud. Here, let us look at Starbucks. During the COVID-19 pandemic, Starbucks used location-specific data to adjust store operations. They analyze mobile orders, foot traffic, and customer demand to reopen stores efficiently. This brings us to the question, how do businesses implement data-driven decision-making? Businesses define the core questions they need to answer to drive decision-making. For instance, the question could be, what problem are we trying to solve? A retail brand might want to know why online sales are declining, prompting them to investigate factors like website usability, competitor pricing, or changing customer preferences. Businesses gather essential information such as sales data, customer reviews, and competitor pricing to gain valuable insights. For example, a food delivery app monitors key metrics like order completion time, customer ratings, and restaurant performance to optimize its services and enhance user experience. Businesses leverage platforms like Google Analytics, Tableau, Power BI, and AI algorithms to process and interpret data effectively. For example, Zara utilizes real-time fashion trend analysis to adjust inventory levels, ensuring minimal unsold stock, and optimizing supply chain efficiency. Businesses analyze real-time data to optimize operations and enhance customer experience. For example, Uber adjusts dynamic pricing based on factors like demand, weather conditions, and local events, ensuring efficient ride availability and maximizing revenue. Businesses continuously monitor data to refine strategies and improve performance. For example, Tesla collects car usage data and enhances self-driving algorithms through over-the-air updates, ensuring improved vehicle autonomy and user safety. This brings us to the final point of today's discussion, and that is the future of data-driven decision-making. As we move forward, DDDM will continue evolving with AI, machine learning, and real-time analytics. Here are some of the key trends shaping the future of DDDM. AI-driven decision automation. AI will make decisions with minimal human intervention. Predictive and prescriptive analytics. Companies will forecast trends before they happen. Integration of IoT and edge computing. Real-time data collection from smart devices will enhance business operations. Ethical AI and responsible data use. Businesses will prioritize transparency and accountability in data usage. Here is the key takeaway from today's discussion. Companies that invest in data-driven decision-making today will outperform their competitors tomorrow. To conclude, you must embrace data-driven thinking. Whether you are in marketing, finance, HR, or operations, data is your greatest asset. Start thinking analytically, question assumptions, and leverage insights for smarter decision-making. Remember, today, data is not just an advantage, it's a necessity. Hope you found today's session insightful. Thanks for joining.